walked in front of it. Here is the pool, and here is, I believe, the final... Oh, that's got to be a hell of a pool. I do believe this is the final elevator in this place. Accessible ones that we could find. This is just a little one, way tucked in the back. Oh, it's hot in here. Let's go to 1. Different fixtures. This is a different style ThyssenKrupp. Go back up to 2. Here's the pool. Okay, he used the elevator, so we'll just call it back down. Quite the atrium. My mom's probably up there. It says it's on 2. Oh, pff. That plate's kind of worn. Damn that guy, he made me come down here. There might be some in it, so we'll see. Two. Those doors need some work. Motor's not too great. 3,000 pound capacity. It is a nice elevator for being so tucked away. I'm glad this is good attention to detail. They made this one actually nicer than some of the hotel ones. Plop. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web, wix.com/theelevatorworld/fans. Bye-bye.